Hi there, welcome to the new Braun NEVO tutorial. Let's discover together how easy it is to get a shave that is close and also gentle on your skin. Can't wait to see what's inside the pack? Me too. We've got NEVO 7-in-1 care system, NEVO Power Travel Case, NEVO Comfort Head, NEVO Skincare Head, and the charger. You have got 3 options to charge your NEVO. But if you need to start the shaver for the first time or to wake it up from deep sleep, you can plug NEVO into its 7-in-1 care system or connect it to the charger. Before using the NEVO Power Travel Case, plug it into the main, and when it's fully charged, unplug it to charge your Braun NEVO on the go for up to 6 weeks of shaving. The smart display provides real-time information about your shaver's status and offers helpful maintenance guidance. Let's explore what each icon means and what action you might need to take. If you see the all good icon, it means everything is working perfectly. Just enjoy your shave. The battery status feedback keeps you informed about your shaver's power level. The cleaning status feedback always tells you when it's time to clean your shaver. Similarly, the shaver head status feedback alerts you on the condition of your shaving head. After your shave, the display may provide maintenance guidance. The shaver head icon reminds you to change your shaving head for optimal performance. The care system icon indicates that your shaver needs a thorough cleaning in the 7-in-1 care system. The travel lock feedback indicates that it is engaged, preventing accidental activation during travel. To disable it, press the power button for 3 seconds. Finally, the overheat low temperature indicates that the shaver is outside its optimal operating temperature range. The care system can help resolve this issue unless the ambient temperature is extremely high or low. Ready to shave? Awesome! Make sure you hold the shaver at a 90-degree angle to your skin like this so you get full contact. Since hair grows differently across the face, check the growth direction first. Then, shave against it using nice easy strokes. Avoid shaving with circular and lateral movements. Apply gentle pressure only, especially on the neck when shaving a 3 to 7 days beard. And for additional precision and control, just lock the shaver head like this. And for extra precision, especially on longer hairs or for contouring, you've got the long hair trimmer, but there's more. You can use the accessories to get the most of NEVO in just one click. And when you're done shaving, NEVO will tell you if it is time to clean it. Simply place it in its care system, and it will automatically select the best cleaning program. You'll have a clean and fresh NEVO, perfectly dry thanks to the active drying function. Replace the cartridge when the level indicator flashes. You just need to press the lift button, open the compartment, and replace the old cartridge. Enjoy your NEVO! Expert guidance and tailored support reserved to Braun NEVO users. Register on BraunCare Plus to receive extended warranty up to 5 years, easy access to spare parts, exclusive member offers, dedicated expert support. After months of shaving and millions of hairs, the blades naturally lose some of their sharpness. The red icon on the display will tell you when you have to replace the shaver head to always keep your shaver at peak performance. You just have to click out the old head and click in the new one. The shaver head replacement feedback tells you that the action is successfully completed. Make sure to press for 3 seconds and hold to unlock the shaver. If it still won't turn on, check the instructions on BraunCare Plus. Use the original charger and just wait for the full charge. Check the instructions on BraunCare Plus if the battery still has problems. The device is waterproof for wet and dry use with or without foam. After each use of NEVO with foam or shaving gel, remember to run it under water before you use the NEVO Care 7-in-1 system. This step is essential to prevent damage to the shaver. Log into BraunCare Plus, register your device and upload your receipt, go to Tips and Tricks or Troubleshooting for your device, or just give a call to our customer service.